Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about finance. The topic that is about Excel. So now I want to show you how to answer. Question 8. We need to write the formula for the cell D number 2. D number 2. That is about C. To compute the balance after 1 month. So, on the question, they ask they will pay the property tax and homeowner's insurance for each month. So, we need to find about the monthly payment for this one. But we need to use about the Excel. So, we have the formula in here. So we have B number 2. This is about annual. We need to divide by 12 plus C number 2. We divide by 12. And that is the formula of D number 2 in here. Question B. They want to find about the balance after 6 months. So we know that the interest rate that is about 1%. We know that this is for annually. But on the question they use about 6 months. And now on the left, this is the formula. So on E number 2, we can put the formula like this. So we have the value of D number 2. We need to multiply by 1 plus 0.01 represent 1%. But this is about monthly, so we need to divide by 12 for n equals to number 12. And we have the power of n, that's about 12. But about 6 months, we know that 1 year we have 12 months, but this is about 6 months, so we need to multiply by 0.5. That is about a half of the year. We minus number 1, and we have the fraction, and we have 0.01. We divide by 12. And that is the formula of this one. Question C. Fill in the blank. So, to answer C, we use this number in here. We divide by 12. And this number in here, we divide by 12. So, about C, we have 5,900. We divide by 12 plus 1,234. We divide by 12 and we have 594.5. About D, we can apply the formula in here. So we put 594. We multiply by this formula in here. So we calculate this one and we have 3,574.44, and that is the answer for D. Now you can do similar for E, F, G, H, I, J. So I will provide the full solutions in here. And this is the answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.